in the plane. And so I did a thing. I went ahead and I got this plane. All right, so he's getting the automated weather and winds, which is kind of windy actually. And so basically, I got this plane before I was actually licensed, and I didn't really hear what she said the winds were, but it is gusting, so it's windier than I thought it would be. But anyway, so David is actually piloting this, and I'm going to take you guys along on my adventures to learning how to fly. And we'll talk about why it is more economical to go ahead and buy a training plane than rent one. So that's where we're at with that. Oh, he's off! Yay! Hard to see right from now, but all right. So as I was saying, I went ahead and bought this plane. I'm not a pilot yet, and I figured if I went ahead and did this, I wouldn't have any more excuses to not become a pilot. I've been wanting to be a pilot since I was a teenager, and I'm 52 now, so it's been a lot of years coming, and we'll continue this saga another time. Bye.